LonDutch here with little Orphan Annie again. So we're here at the Big Splash Waterpark, which is in Tsawwassen, BC, just off the Ferries. Here at the Waterslides. Big day of Waterslides, water park. Let's get this camera into its waterproof housing and let's jump on the slides.
Yeah.
What do you got to say?
It's gonna be fun.
Fun finding your sisters.
I already found them. They're in the pool over there.
Okay. I'm out of here. That was the water slides. That was real fun, but I gotta go. So guess what? See you next time. All right, YouTubers. That was Big Splash Waterpark in Tsawwassen, BC, right by the ferry terminal. I'm LonDutch. I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.